Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah if you are new. Today I'm just going to be doing a really chill get ready with me. I haven't done one of these in a while. Oh, and it's like with some new products that I got, so I'm really excited about that. That's cold. I found a Sephora gift card. I feel like it definitely had to have been my sister's because if it was mine, I would have spent that like the day after I got it. The gift card was from 2013, so I didn't even know if it was gonna work, but it did. So I picked up this Natasha Nonna mini nude palette. Really pretty colors. Kind of reminds me of the same shades as like your Naked, like the OG Naked palette that I have. So I picked up this, and then I got, what else did I get from Sephora? Oh, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in the shade Fussy. It's just like a little bit lighter than the original Fenty Glow one that I had and ran out of, and I love the formula, so I was like, let me get another one of these. This isn't a first impressions by any means. I've tried all of these before, so yeah. And then of course, got some new Glossier. I got two of the, what are they called? The Color Slide eyeliners. I got the shade Early Girl, which is just this kind of teal, how would you describe this? This like teal, light, very light blue, very pretty color. And then I have just this blue color in Adult Swim. It's kind of like a true blue eyeliner, I guess you could say. Or I guess it's like a navy, but it shows up kind of a little bit lighter than the actual tube. That's the new makeup I got, and now I'm just gonna, you know, zoom you on in and get ready. I just showered, so that's why, like, I'm actually getting ready. This isn't just like fake, you know? It's all real over here on this channel. Okay, so I do have some Rosebud lip salve on, and as well as just some moisturizer and some like serums and whatnot, just like my normal morning skincare. And I'm going to start out with a mixture of G12 Stretch Concealer from Glossier. Does anyone else who have cats like always feel like they have cat hair in their face? Like it feels like I just have hairs all over my face, but I can't see them. I don't know. And then I'm also, for a little bit more coverage, going to use the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation concealer. So I'm just going to start by kind of putting this in the center of my face and blending outwards, and then I'm going to put the Can't Stop Won't Stop under my eyes. So concealer is on, and now I'm going to be using some Glossier Brow Flick. Thank you guys so much for all the views on that video. That was insane. If you are here from that video, thank you, welcome. So I'm just going to use this and do little hair-like strokes wherever I need it. Okay, and then moving on to, do I want to do skin or eyes first? So I'm going to use just some cloud paint, but because I'm going to use those blue pencils, I didn't really want like too bright of a blush. So I'm just going to go in with some cloud paint. And if you put on a little too much, or you just want to kind of blend it out, just use whatever brush or sponge you were using for your concealer and just go around the edges. Okay, so now some Haloscope. Sorry, this is all Glossier so far. I promise it's not going to be, I'm using other things, but just for my base. This isn't a tutorial, I guess. You're just getting ready with me, so this is genuinely what I use on the day-to-day, you know? That is the base. So now moving on to some of the new stuff, the eyeshadow. Since I am using those pencils, I don't really want to do like too much of an intense smoky eye or anything like that. So I think I'm just going to take this brownish orange color right here called Sienna. And I'm just going to, I think, just lightly put that all over my eye. Beautiful. And And I do want to use more of this palette because it is really beautiful. So I'm just going to take my finger and dip it in this lightest shimmery color. Looks like that. Very beautiful, very bright, very shimmery. And I'm just going to put that in my inner corner and a little bit on my brow bone. Time to move on to the eyeliner. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna do with this. I think I just want to do a little bit of this dark blue kind of in the outer corner of my eyes, is like a pop of blue. I think that'll look really pretty. Let's try that. I'm just gonna zoom you in even closer. So, oh shoot, did y'all see that mirror almost hit me in the face? I'm just going to kind of, oh, sharpen. I forgot. With these eyeliners, you have to make sure they are sharp and ready to go every time, or else they will tug and not, you know, be their full potential. So there we go. And also you want to warm it up on the back of your hand, get it nice and creamy and ready to go. I'm just going to kind of do a little bit of blue on my lash line. And then I want to like blend it out a little bit because she looks a little harsh, like that doesn't look good. So what do I use to blend it out? I'm just gonna use this like, oh my gosh, this brush is so dirty. I'm just gonna use this like little angled brush and try to blend it a little bit. I thought that would be a little bit more blendable. I kind of messed that up. That does not look good. What do I do? I can fix this. I can fix this, everyone. These are creamy, but I guess just once they dry down, you know? Okay, so that little touch of blue is on, and to be honest, I didn't do that great of a job, but I just need to learn how to use those pencils. I just think I'm, you know, not very skilled when it comes to eyeliner. But anyway, so moving forward, I'm just going to put on some mascara, and yeah. Hopefully mascara can save this eyeliner somehow. Kind of provide a little shield, a little barrier between everyone's eyes and the reality of my eyeliner. Hopefully it looks a little bit better with some mascara. So the Color Slide eyeliners, they are super creamy, like there's no denying that. They do glide on like beautifully, but they just dry and they stay so insanely fast, and so kind of blending them for me is a little bit difficult, but I think I just need to get used to it and get used to the formula, because I honestly have never tried anything like that. But now I'm just going to finish off this look with some lip gloss, the new Fenty Beauty lip gloss I got in the shade Fussy. I think I'm going to add a touch more of the brown in the crease from the Natasha Nonna palette, just because I don't really see it very much. This lip gloss is one of my favorites for so many reasons, or this formula at least, not this one in particular. I do love it, but the other colors honestly are great as well, but it just makes your lips look so smooth and so juicy, and also it's just so moisturizing. It's great. It's like you put on a chapstick lip gloss, like smoother enhancer all in one. It's just so beautiful on the lips, and it just looks really nice. So yeah, this is what I kind of came up with today for my little get ready with me using my new stuff. Love the Natasha Nonna palette. These Color Slide eyeliners are nice, but just hard to work with. That's my conclusion. And the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm, like there's just, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. So yeah, this was my little get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Next time I kind of want to do like a chit chat get ready with me one where, you know, I just talk about some topics or stuff, whatever you guys want. But this one I just kind of wanted to sit down, do my makeup, and show you guys just some new things that I got. So I know these are really fun for me to watch, really relaxing to just like watch other people get ready. So yeah, this is what I came up with. I hope you can see the blue. I think the orange like eyeshadow and the blue liner really complement each other well. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I just think it looks nice. Make sure to check out all of my links below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!